Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, the rename token or access right, and that your Loomian is eligible. Once ready, open the roster and tap the Loomian you want to change. This is the active step. Make sure to note the character limit and filtering rules so you avoid rejections. After selecting the creature, choose the rename option in its menu and prepare the new name. This saves time and prevents backtracking because the system enforces length and content rules immediately. Now you enter the new name and verify it precisely. Type with the capitalization and spacing you want, because display matters in battles and trade. Once typed, use the preview or confirm dialog to inspect how the name appears in menus and on the HUD. If the system rejects it, the reason is usually length, banned words, or unsupported symbols. Change a few characters or shorten it and try again. Remember to save or confirm immediately once the preview looks correct to avoid losing your change. Finish by confirming the rename and then verify in both the roster and an active battle screen to ensure the change propagated. If the new name doesn't show up, first force close and restart the game to clear cache. Make sure you're online if the game uses Cloud Sync. Once done, double-check your token or purchase record. If issues persist, like lost tokens or server errors, take screenshots and contact support. Include the Loomian ID, time, and error messages so they can restore or validate the rename prompt.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.